Hey guys, it's Gordon Betts Fix. I got a review on iLife 11. I'm going to be pretty much showing you iMovie, it's great. I'm going to be showing you iPhoto and some GarageBand. Okay, so first up, we've opened it up here. As you can see, the projects are displayed. First of all, new feature is ability to have folders where you can put some various videos in a normal folder, as you can see here, Gordon Betts Fix videos. Now the main thing that struck me with this was the trailer ability. Now I'm just going to show you a trailer that I made. Here we go. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you some, if we make a new project here. I'll show you some demos that Apple have made and that Apple gives you some examples of. Okay, watch. This is a trailer right here that they've made. And these are some of the various videos that you can make. It is just simply by and you can make these videos yourself. And it's very easy. All you gotta do is take a video from your camera and select different scenes. Even if you're doing it very quickly, it looks very professional. And this has actually become a real pro video making tool. As you can see, it even gives you your own intros. Absolutely magical. I was blown away by this. Also got project themes. I'm going to show you some project themes here. As you can see, it shows you themes when you make your videos. Sports even. Look at this. Yeah. And you know, lots of trailers. I can actually show you how simple it is to make a trailer. Right. If we go to watch this, we go to new project. We want to make this type of video. We select it. And bam, takes you in. You can put the trailer information. So for example, you want to put Golden Better Fix. Oh, Golden Better Fix. Okay. And it will do that for you. Golden Better Fix and the Mountain of Destiny. And then once you go to the storyboard to actually make the clips, you just take, so this is my skiing holiday, you just take bits and it adds it and then it plays. As an example. It's gonna play for you. Yeah, well I haven't actually finished making the video, but as you can see it's very professional, even if you're doing it quickly, just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Another feature that you can do is you can add certain voice effects. If we take one of my videos on iTunes 10, for example, check out that video if you're interested. Open it up and you go here and you do clip adjustments and then you can actually select type of audio. You can select, see, we have cathedral, medium room, large room, multi-tune. I'll put it in the video, in this video later on, you'll be able to notice. And this is pretty much iMovie, great, loving it. They've also added some new tunes from GarageBand, of course, as that's been updated too. Transitions, some new transitions there. Very similar to last time, just to keep things fresh. I'm really loving this new iMovie 11. It's pretty much become a competitor to Final Cut Express. Some of you may argue, well, of course not, but for Final Cut Express it's $1,000, and this is only, well, in the package, $49. So for what you're getting, it's absolutely amazing, got to say. So this is iMovie. I'm just gonna close that up, and now I'll show you some iPhoto, give you a demonstration. Also, for further news about all three of these products, go on the Apple website. Okay, so I haven't actually got any photos in here because I had some problems with my iPhoto. Not because of the program itself, but because of some storage on an external hard drive and what have you, but never mind. As here, it now has faces. So what it will do for you is you'll have faces of people in your photos. You'll be able to recognize them, as you can see here. Kim, you just select one photo, type in the name, Gordon Betterfix, and then it will find people, the same person in different photos, you know? It also has places where it will show you where you've taken your photos. So if you want to see, oh look, I've taken photos in Canada, US, whatever. And also it has some bookshelf functions.
Really nice. And also I forgot to mention that it will link your faces when you tag people on your iPhoto. It will also link them to your Facebook profile. Therefore, if you tag your friend in an album that you uploaded from the camera, it will again without having to go into Facebook, and also you can view comments. So that's excellent. Now I'll talk about GarageBand. Now GarageBand hasn't changed that much. I know they've added lots of new, you can mix some rhythms and whatever, but pretty much it's the same, but they've also fixed some bugs and etc. So, I don't really need to get into that, but overall, iLife 11 is really worth its money. I mean, $49, you can make excellent trailers. This is just a brief summary. Excellent trailers, new interface, manage your photos professionally without having to go to a million social networks. Pretty much just fresh update the company's have to release. Get this, recommend you get this, guys. And pretty much come to the end of the videos. Keep watching. iPhone 4 is an iPhone 4 review is coming out. HTC Desire HD. Good phones. Check them out, guys. And see ya. Keep watching. Subscribe.